is Heather. I have just recently finished the ketamine infusions with Dr. Liang here in Las Vegas. A little bit of background about myself is I've struggled with anxiety and depression ever since high school. I started on Prozac when I was about 18 years old. Throughout the years, I was switched to all kinds of different antidepressants, anti-anxiety meds. They all had terrible side effects, made me tired all the time, kind of cranky, just a number of things that, I just thought, well, it's normal, it's what I have to be on forever, so I just got used to it. Well, in the last couple of years, my depression had reached an all-time, low, where I was in a very dark place. I had trouble getting up in the morning, felt like kind of a dead battery all the time. I had trouble doing a lot of things like with the family. I didn't want to really do anything. If I could have just slept all day, I would have. It was a very dark, sad place. I also was struggling with Lyme disease also. I had chronic Lyme disease ever since I was a small child. So I had a lot of the joint pain and issues with that, brain fog, that never really go away. Even when this pandemic happened just recently, I was actually probably one of the people that were happy because it gave me an excuse not to leave the house and not to see people anymore. I stopped talking to all my friends. It was just really tough on my family and the people around me. So I was desperate to find something other than the medications that clearly didn't help me anyway and gave me terrible side effects. I was doing research one night and I found something about ketamine infusions. So I thought that was pretty interesting. I'd never heard of it before. I started watching some testimonials, and then all of a sudden I kind of got excited about this because these people are being helped. They don't have the side effects. They've had great success rates. It's a lot of things. So I talked to my husband about it, and he was all for doing anything he could to help. I called Dr. Liang's office. He called me back, and I did a consultation with him over the phone, and we discussed all about it and what I can expect from it. But also with this office here is due to my chronic Lyme disease, he had something else that we could put with the ketamine. It's called NAD. So that was in addition to the ketamine, but I thought, well, okay, I gotta try that. So 3 out of 6 sessions in the 2-week period of time, I had the ketamine with NAD in it. And after the first time even, I noticed my joint pain going away. I was able to get up the next morning and be wide awake and just do more things than I haven't been doing in so long. So that was really shocking for me. I was excited then about doing the next one. And typically what they do is, how they explained to me, they want to do 6 treatments of the infusions within a 2-week period of time. So then within a couple days, I had my next one. And each time I kept getting better and better until I was finished. And it was just amazing because I was able to do more things with the family. I was reconnecting with friends. I was able to go out and do things. I started opening emails that I had been dreading to open and mail that I haven't wanted to deal with, all kinds of stuff that I just pushed back and just couldn't deal with. I started just kind of taking charge of my life and taking care of things, and it was like I woke up from a bad dream. After the 4th infusion, I remember texting Dr. Liang. He was very good about keeping in contact with me and letting me know, or asking me how everything was going and making sure I was okay, constantly keeping in touch. And I remember after my 4th one, I felt just light, like the weight of the world, like off my shoulders, and it was just an amazing feeling after being stuck in such a dark, sad place for so long. So if there's anybody's out there that is struggling with this and having some of the same things, this is definitely something to look into. Well, here in Las Vegas, Dr. Liang's office, like I said, they were very professional, took very good care of me. He was very thorough on explaining everything and the effects, and I had no side effects, and it was just an amazing experience. I feel so much better, and it's great. So if you're out there and you're struggling, give it a shot.